Good afternoon, it's LiveWeatherBlogs.com meteorologist taking a look at first here at satellite for the nation. This is the infrared satellite picture. It's the LiveWeatherBlogs.com satellite picture, as you see. New on the site, go into the satellite area. We have our markings here. This is actually from Ham Weather, but you're allowed to input your own stuff when you subscribe to them. So here you go. This is the LiveWeatherBlogs.com actual satellite here. You see, we have one system following the jet stream. The jet stream is something in that matter on the northern jet. The southern jet's taking this rank here, which is pretty much a zonal flow. You don't see too much in the way of storms other than the one that's sitting here in the Arizona area, and the other one, we have one here towards Alaska, and the next one's moving out here in the ocean. No real good blocking, which is why you don't see these two come together, because if you saw that, you would see more of a dip in this northern jet come up along like this, and the southern jet come up and combine with it. If that happens, and a Miller B type of storm would happen, you get that lower low on the coastline, and you know what happens then. That's called phasing, and that's something that we need to get a snowstorm here in the Philadelphia metro and the Roanoke area, other than what we normally would get off the lakes, but or a streamer. We actually don't see that happening anytime soon. We see a pretty much zonal pattern here. Northern jet's more active for the northern part of the United States. The zonal jet, southern part of the jet is more active for the southern part of the United States. That'll cause some severe weather issues here in a week if you looked at what I was saying earlier. Obviously, this is a video blog, so everybody can take a look at what's going on. This also on the Live Weather Blogs page is the interactive map, and like you said, interactive map. You can go in here and you can see there's the lake effect snow over the lakes over here, moving to the east, and that's going to actually be somewhere, probably going to move into the area like Bob was saying. Bob Markert, the Lehigh Valley guru, he getting this right on the line. This lake effect snow will make it into the Lehigh Valley, so you might see some snowflakes from these streamers. As we further move south, that's what we have to look at, moving south. We're going to look towards West Virginia, and that's where the other snow is, but we keep going south. We have a few snow flurries coming across the mountains here near Benton Mountain, south of Roanoke. That's about it. You know, nothing really going on here in the state of Virginia. As we continue to move south, nothing going on in the state of North Carolina, so forth and so on. We're through South Carolina, now through Georgia, and now through Florida. And like you see, no precipitation at all. Current temperatures here is cold in the Intermountain West and chilly on the northern here, but you can see the warm air here in Florida, and seasonal temperatures here along the mid-latitudes here, Virginia out through the Midwest, and are warming up ahead of the next storm, which could produce potential for severe weather by Monday. There, you can see there's your wind chill map. No heat index at this current time. Winds the strongest here in Montana and here in Arizona near lows that are moving into the area. I'm going to continue to go down. Here's a look at it. You know, we have 1024. That would be a high. High. And that is your Live Weather Blogs actual. Like I said, this is connected to Ham Weather, but this is our actual maps here on Live Weather Blogs. I'm going to zoom up here. Right to the top is the new site. I mean, we're actually got this on here for you. And you can go to Philly Metro, and you get Philly Metro. I mean, you can't ask for too much more from this new site. We're going to be able to do this in the Philly Metro. I mean, this is great stuff that's going on here. You know, the site's coming along very well, and we'll continue to keep updating you here, because I believe this is going to be just, you know, it's going to be great. The kind of information you're going to get, you know, you're going to see a lot of the information on the top of the page. It's just a great site now, and it's coming along. 20 seconds to launch date when this becomes LiveWeatherBlogs.com in the actual toolbar. 20 seconds. All right, guys. You know, website goes live. This is great. I mean, a lot of the stuff's now input in there. Chat room still isn't up in this new one. That'll come along. There are some models in the AO and NAO area. Maps from radar and satellite. So some of these toolbars are starting to now get the information on them. So take a look yourself here at LiveWeatherBlogs.com. So enjoy the rest of your afternoon and read my verbal blog. I mean my written blog. It'll explain to you more about how the week's going to come above here. It looks unfortunately like a rain event. A little off for the Christmas holiday, but I don't think it's going to be much of a white Christmas, unfortunately. Things will have to change in the models, and just read my blog and you understand that. for LiveWeatherBlogs.com. This is meteorologist Dean Davison. Have a great afternoon, and we'll have a new update soon.